Have you ever had incorrect or inconsistent data in your Excel sheets? Maybe users enter invalid dates, wrong values, or even leave important fields blank. That's where advanced data validation comes in. Today, I'll show you how to control what users can enter in a cell, create drop-down lists, set custom rules, and display helpful error messages to guide users. Let's get started. Example data, valid department names. A. Department. Sales. Marketing. Finance. Steps to create a drop-down list. Select the target cells where users should enter a department, E. B2, B10. Go to the Data tab, click Data Validation. In the Allow drop-down, choose List. In the source box, enter $A, $2, A, $5, or select the range manually. Click OK. Now, users can only select from the predefined department list. Sometimes, you need more than just a drop-down. Let's create a rule where employees must enter an age between 18 and 60. Steps to set age restrictions. Select the cells where age should be entered, E. C2, C10. Open Data Validation under Allow, select whole number. Set minimum equals 18 and maximum equals 60. Click OK. Now, users can only enter numbers between 18 and 60. If they try to enter an invalid age, Excel will reject it. What if we want a rule that allows only emails ending in @company.com? We can use a formula for that. Formula to restrict emails. Equals ISNUMBER, search, @company.com, A2. Steps. Select the email entry cells, D2 D10. Go to Data Validation, choose Custom under Allow. Enter the formula equals ISNUMBER, search, @company.com, D2. Click OK. Now, only emails ending in @company.com are allowed. Let's make data entry even better by guiding users with input messages and custom error alerts. Steps. Select the validated cells, E. C2, C10 for age. Open Data Validation, go to the Input Message tab. Type a message like Title, enter a valid age. Message, please enter an age between 18 and 60. Switch to the Error Alert tab. Choose Stop to prevent wrong input, and set Title, invalid age. Message, only ages between 18 and 60 are allowed. Click OK. Now, users get guidance while entering data and an error alert if they enter something invalid. Want to create a dropdown where the options change based on a previous selection? Let's do that with a dependent list. Example data. A. Region. B. City. North New York. North Chicago. South Miami. South Houston. Steps to create a dependent dropdown. Create named ranges for each group. Select B2 or B3, define name as North_Cities. Select B4 or B5, define name as South_Cities. Select the region selection cell, E. E2. Apply data validation, choose list, enter North, South. Select the city selection cell, E. F2. Apply data validation, choose list, enter this formula. Equals indirect, E2 and _cities. Click OK. Now, the city dropdown changes based on the selected region. Data validation is one of the most powerful tools in Excel. It ensures clean, consistent, and error-free data entry. Whether you're using drop-down lists, custom formulas, or dependent lists, these techniques will help you create professional spreadsheets. Try them out and take control of your data today. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.